Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. Today we're hanging out at home and we're going to be making some Italian-ish seasoning. I call it that because it's more like Italian seasoning on steroids. Stay tuned to learn how to make this delicious spice mix that'll turn any store-bought sauce up a notch. It's really good. Let's get started. We're going to start with 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper, 1/8 of a teaspoon of pink peppercorn, 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground thyme, 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground jalapeno pepper, 3/8 of a teaspoon of ground green chili. We've got 1/4 of a teaspoon of oregano. Then, instead of using regular red pepper flakes, we are just going to throw in some Aleppo pepper. Kind of a tangy heat. And we've got 1/2 teaspoon of that. And we are going to do 1/2 teaspoon of marjoram. Who is that? 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 Now we've got a very predominant flavor in the spice mix. 1 teaspoon of basil. We're going to do 1/2 teaspoon of tarragon, 1/2 teaspoon of sage, 3/8 of a teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and then we're going to finish it off with something a little bit strange. I don't know if I'm pronouncing them right, but they're called charnushka seeds, and they are super delicious. They have a real earthy flavor, and they go really great with this seasoning. And we've got 1 teaspoon of them. And we're just gonna shake this up and our seasoning mix is complete. Now this seasoning goes really well in any homemade sauces or even store-bought sauces. It's really good with Alfredo sauce or on chicken or with meatballs. And you'll definitely have to check in for future videos to see how we use it. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. 14 spices later and we have a delicious spice mix that I can't wait for you guys to try. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do and have a great one.